We're looking at a 3D flyover of the proposed projects in the Sela School District. We're zooming in on the proposed Sela Junior High School. It's strictly a conceptual idea. We don't know the final design. Could be one story, could be two, but this gives you an idea of what it might look like. We're coming around to the front side of the school, just in a little bit further here, a little bit further, and you can see that this is the view that you would see from First Street. And so we would have some green areas out in the front facing First Street. One thing that is pretty certain on this design is on the left you can see Pat Clark Gym, and that would be maintained as part of this design. We would totally modernize and renovate Pat Clark Gym, but we would keep the foundation and the structure and would save $1 million by doing so. We're coming around to the north side of the Sela Junior High School site, right around Pat Clark Gym. Once again, this is just a concept. We don't know exactly what the final design will be, but it'll be something like this. We'll be home to about 800 students in grades 6 through 8. So now we're flying up overhead, and we're coming down on the John Campbell site. We can see it from a distance there, looking down on First Street. And you can see that we're proposing two things for the John Campbell site to make it safer for our students. We would add a bus loop of some type. This may be the design we use. It could be something different. It could be a bus loading area on First Street, but some way to improve bus safety for loading and unloading. Likewise, we need to improve the parking and expand the parking. We will lose the parking on the east side of First Street, and we need to move it all to the west side of First Street. But we think that'll be good. Those will be good safety improvements for our K through 2 students at the John Campbell site. Now we're heading over to Sela High School. We're zooming in on the 8 classrooms that would be added to Sela High School. You can see them stacked 4 on top of each other, two-story format with hallways connecting to the main building, which is also 2 stories. We're coming around now looking down from above Goodlander on the auxiliary gym, which would also include some small locker room areas. And now we're zooming over the top of the proposed multi-purpose auditorium. Both of those facilities would hold about 500 students or 500 seats. There's also a full-size stage and dressing rooms incorporated into that auditorium design. So now we're kind of zooming away in our helicopter, and you can see all 3 projects at once. The 4th project that would be tackled would be partial demolition of the Robert Lintz site. We do not have that on this map, and also technology improvements.